Alternative legal service providers versus law firm ALSP teams, which one is better for high-efficiency legal operations? Most corporate legal departments struggle to keep up with high-volume, repetitive tasks. The surprising truth is that not all efficiency solutions are created equal, and choosing between an ALSP within a law firm or an independent provider can drastically affect speed, cost, and quality. Alternative legal service providers, or ALSPs, are independent firms that specialize in process-driven legal work. They focus on document review, contract drafting, compliance workflows, and e-discovery, often using advanced technology and streamlined operations to reduce time and cost. For example, an ALSP might manage a global contract review project in weeks rather than months, leveraging AI tools to flag high-risk clauses efficiently. Their value lies in speed, scalability, and operational focus. Law firm ALSP teams, in contrast, operate within traditional firms but offer similar efficiency services. These teams combine technology, workflow expertise, and legal oversight from senior lawyers. While they provide the comfort of law firm oversight and direct legal accountability, their processes can be slightly less flexible and more expensive due to firm overhead. For instance, an ALSP team inside a law firm may offer high-quality document automation but at a higher hourly rate than an independent provider. The key difference is independence and operational flexibility versus embedded legal oversight. ALSPs excel at scalable, cost-efficient delivery, while law firm teams bring brand credibility and immediate legal accountability. Most high-performing legal departments find value in hybrid models, outsourcing volume-driven tasks to independent ALSPs, while using law firm ALSP teams for complex, high-risk matters. The takeaway is simple. Efficiency isn't just about speed, it's about matching the right provider to the right type of work. The surprising truth is that businesses that strategically combine independent ALSPs with in-house or law firm teams maximize cost savings, operational efficiency, and legal quality all at once.